Hello everyone, welcome back to Lemon Solution. In this video we'll see what to do when you are unable to post anything on Instagram. So let's get started. To long press on Instagram, go to eye icon here, click on storage and caches and click on clear caches. You can even try uninstalling Instagram to fix the issue. If doing all this doesn't help, then go to Instagram, go to profile section, menu bar here, settings, help, report a problem. Once again, report a problem. Here you must describe your problem, like you are unable to post anything on Instagram, and you can even try adding a screenshot. After that, you can submit your report. Instagram will reach out to you within next 48 hours if the problem from its side. So this was the method with the help of which you can fix the issue. If there's anything that you want to know, then you can ask that in the comment section. Thank you very much.